Hello guys, this is Gökhan speaking from BFT Packaging. Today I would like to talk about a little bit about wet wipes, branded wet wipes. Wet wipes are formed from different sizes from 6 to 8 centimeters to 7 by 14 centimeters. Also there are medium size which are the most preferable ones. For example, this one is 7 by 12, comparably this size. And for example, 6 by 10, this is also a good size for restaurants. The most important part is the advertisement area. You can print your logo, your slogan, your contact details, your social media, addresses, etc. Whatever you think. There are different print options. Actually, on each wet wipe, you can print up to 5 colors and logo, etc. Anything can be done. For example, here we have two samples. There are pictures of it. So you can put your food picture, product picture, medicines, whatever your product is. So this is available. I would like to also talk about the towels inside. When we open, the most important thing is the towels should not be small for our customers. And the grammage, it should be at least like 33-35 GSM towel. And the scent, there are mainly 5 popular scents. Davidoff as a perfume base, lemon as a classic, Dove as a Dove soap fragrance, tangerine fruit based, also green tea is a green tea flavor or scent of it. So those are the popular ones you can use. There are different paper options for the outer package. The paper outside, polyester outside, and the brown craft outside. You can choose whatever you want. If you have any more info, any more questions about the wet wipes, branded wet wipes, please let me know via the comments. Just shoot the comment and I will try to answer. On our next video, I will speak about the next generation wet wipes. The name is Oshibori, hot cold wet towel. See you. Bye.